Just making a video of my garden the way it is today. This below here is all mint, and behind it a rose bush, and that's my pear tree, and these are all herbs in this bed here, which I use to eat and for medication. This is my bird feeding to keep birds coming into the garden. And here, growing up the fence and trying to disguise the horrid wall. And then there are lots of flowers here, and again more herbs, and a table where I feed the birds. And then this is the hedge at the back of the garden. It's full of lovely flowers that attract bees and insects. This over here is rhubarb. I eat that, and they are raspberries, and I eat them too. And I'm taking cuttings from my herbs, and later I'll plant them in pots to bring on more herbs. This is my place where I relax with a magazine, and this is the conservatory at the back of the house, and this is my Mediterranean bit. These are really all olive trees and lavender and geraniums. These are all plants which grow comfortably in the Mediterranean. This is where I sit and eat dinner. So that's my garden at the moment.